Is it time to buy or sell Enphase stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Enphase. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of October, 2024, our system has identified Enphase as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 35.82%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.56% since its classification as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nonetheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any movements back to the breaking point, which is $69.27, should be viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $45.69 could represent the new lower boundary for the upcoming trend, but it is still too early to determine this with certainty. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 32.77% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 26.85% to a modest decrease of 1.94%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of 10.08% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between a decline of 10.08% and an increase of 76.52%. This translates to a price range between $57.25 and $112.37 after a year. Our latest daily update for Enphase features the headline, "A challenging day on Monday for Enphase stock, which declined by 4.84%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, the price of Enphase stock dropped from $66.90 to $63.66. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.15%, with a low of $62.50 and a high of $66.35. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 24.82% for that period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is often considered a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, totaling 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $581,140,000. Reviewing the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $141.59, while the lowest was $62.50. Currently, the price sits 55.04%, or $77.93, below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 81.27%, or $276.26, below the all-time high reached on December 5th, 2022, when the price soared to $339.92. Enphase Energy has recently made headlines with a significant announcement regarding its solar graph platform. The company introduced an AI-powered do-it-yourself permitting feature that can reduce solar permit plan creation times by up to 95%. This innovative approach not only streamlines operations for installers, but also enhances customer satisfaction, potentially leading to increased sales and greater market share. In the short term, this development may boost investor confidence and could positively affect the stock price, especially as the market recognizes the efficiency gains. However, Enphase is currently facing challenges that could impede its growth trajectory. The company is under investigation by Levi and Korsinski for potential violations of securities laws following its recent third-quarter financial results. Concurrently, a significant workforce restructuring is underway, with plans to cut 17% of its global workforce, which could result in up to $20 million in charges. Layoffs can create uncertainty and may negatively impact the company's operational capabilities in the near term, possibly weighing on stock performance. Overall, while the introduction of AI capabilities presents a promising outlook for Enphase, the ongoing legal scrutiny and operational downsizing could create volatility in the stock price in both the short and long term, as investors weigh these contrasting developments. Analyst ratings are as follows. On Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, it was reported that HSBC assigned ENPH a hold rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Craig-Hallum assigned EH a buy rating, paired with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated ENPH as equal weight, also with a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Piper Sandler provided ENPH with a neutral rating, accompanied by a hold action. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Janney Montgomery rated EA as neutral with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Enphase stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given this stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Enphase. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. Enphase currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $76.84 and $93.91. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 29.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume is generally expected to follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 35 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Enphase. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.85 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 6.15%. In the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 6.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Enphase, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 73 cents. It is essential to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Enphase. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Enphase is at $66.90. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Enphase from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of September, 2024, Yang Mandi executed an insider sale of 1,317 shares of common stock. On the 17th of June, 2024, Ranhoff David A. executed an insider sale of 4,335 shares of common stock. On the same day, Ranhoff David A. also executed an insider sale of 665 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June, 2024, Yang Mandi again executed an insider sale of 1,317 shares of common stock. On the 29th of May, 2024, Rogers Thurman J. executed an insider sale of 123,372 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 5.119. In total, insiders purchased 3,775,772 shares and sold 3,725,788 shares in the last 100 trades. We have issued a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Enphase stock a good investment? Currently, Enphase presents several warning signs and is following a broad downward trend. This suggests that its performance may remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate that Enphase will open at approximately 511 cents, beginning its trading at $64.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.